Introducing Multiplex, designed by Chicago Tag and Label to streamline the shipping process. Printing your shipping label and critical documents in one simple step. With Multiplex, we're changing the course of the fulfillment process. It's engineered for versatility, providing increased efficiency by reducing steps in your shipping process, while enhancing the customer experience, allowing you to get more out the door faster. Multiplex offers flexibility. The flexibility to combine multiple steps in your fulfillment process. Print shipping labels, packing lists, return labels, and gift messages from a single label roll. Available in both standard and custom sizes, including 4x6. All thermally printed and stacked simultaneously to conceal the documents until their arrival at the end user. Convert existing labels into the Multiplex format, including branding and custom marketing messages for an error-free solution. And with both hand-applied and auto-applied options, the Multiplex is connected for automation. Designed in direct collaboration with our customers, it's ideal for all markets and backed by first-class technical support, providing the confidence and flexibility to update, automate, and streamline your fulfillment process. Multiplex. Get more out the door.